Keegan Murray and I'm learning Vocational Access at Cardiff and Vale College. I enjoyed it because it's helping me a lot with my personal training and I'm going on to sports college next year. I have enjoyed sports on a Tuesday in my pathways. I like doing all the football and loads of fitness-wise activities. Many things stood out for me in sports and maths and my English tests for developing the sports college in September. And it's helped me a lot. Exclusive skills has helped me with my confidence and expressing my feelings to people and showing them how much I love doing like video and helping them a lot. I chose to study because it's helping me with my confidence and it's keeping me more active instead of going on the streets all the time, and it's showing my talents and what I can really do. After college, I would like to either do personal training or become a professional boxer in a couple of years' time. If I hadn't come to the college, I would have been, I don't have no clue, but the college has helped me a lot with my GCSEs. The teachers have been amazing with me and I've been learning so much instead of high school. High school was a bit of trouble, but since I come to college, it's been helpful and amazing.